fiddlers, this is Shannon with the McDades. I'm going to be teaching the Intermediate Advanced Fiddle Workshop at this year's Almonte Celtfest, which happens the first weekend in July. We're going to be probably playing some common tunes, learning a couple of new tunes, talking about some bowing and some ornamentation and anything else you want to talk about. I think at the end of the class we're going to sneak into the guitar class and maybe have a little mini session, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Bring your fiddles. You can register early at almonteceltfest.com, and I will see you on July 5th.